Hello, baby. Sleep time.
Hello, Blondie. This is Velcro. Are you doing head bobs for us? You're doing press-ups?
She's being a wriggler. Where are you going, sausage? Here's your dummy. Here. No.
She's snotting it.
She's smelling. Hello, little girl. Where are you going? That's the perineal fallout zone recovery unit. Oh, yawn. Oh, yawn. Did you yawn, darling?
You're going well, aren't you, sweetheart?
That's Auntie Meg. Come here, I'll get that. Just don't do a wee on me. That's what that there's for. Hello, darling. Here. Do you want this?
Head bobs. Little press-ups. Press-ups.
Hello, Tweety. Hello, sweetheart. Mm-hmm. Don't you, dummy? Nope. He says, I'm not an octopus. Show us your tummy. Let's see if you're getting hairs. Look. Whoops.
Look at that belly.
Look at that little fat tummy. It's had lunch. Look at that little belly and it's growing hairs. You need to have a little wash, you do. Don't you, sweetie?
Hello, beautiful.
She is, isn't she? You're doing cutesy pie. You're doing cutesy pie. Yes, you are. You're doing a cutesy pie, girl.
Hello. This is Klingon.
He's exploring.
He's the silvery-headed one. She's golden.
No, it's the other way around.
Is it? Oh, yeah, because...
Oh, there's a whizzer. He just whizzed on me. Look.
These things happen. He whizzed on the sookie, right?
You're doing a nice big whizzer. It's going everywhere.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, little dude. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Hello, baby. Yeah, you did that.
Oh, flappies.
Did you do flappies, sweetheart? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy.
Head bobs.
Press up.
Press-ups. You're just showing off now.
Yeah.
You might have to put it in his mouth for him. Should make him feel a little bit more secure.
Here, my baby. Come on. Here, open. Come on. That's the man. Here you go. There's your done. There you go. Is that better?
That's better, isn't it? You're wearing a black t-shirt. I mean, seriously?
I know. Have you gone to sleep, darling? You have. God love you. Look.
Okay, time for her to go to bed. She's only little.
She is a little thing. Little bubba. Come on, sausage. Give me your paw. Paw. Foot. Come on, darling. Good girl. Yes, I know. There you go, sausage.
These are probably going this afternoon to see if they can be reunited with their mum. I meant stop. How's our hungry hippo going?
No, she's not a hippo. She's a little batty. And look, she's
gained
drunk nearly
some weight.
all of her milk.
She's gained some weight. She's a hungry hippo.
Aren't you, darling? She's beautiful. Look at that little ear, Meg. Look at the bend in it. Isn't it gorgeous? Pulling it out. Oh,
Okay.
and there's him, his little lordship down there. That's his goopy eye. Hello, baby.
Oh, it's just the ointment.
Yeah. And he's doing well. He's nearly finished that.
He's had his eye checked this morning and he's fine. He's doing heaps better.
Get your ear fixed, baby. No, she says, don't want to. Don't want to. She says, I am the most beautifulest little creature.
And guess who this is, everyone? This little Suki. This little Suki Lala is Velcro, brother of Klingon, also now called Ruby Tuesday, which I really like as a name. So, and she's going to Kakundi soon?
Yeah, a couple of weeks.
She just hasn't made the weight and the emotional development cut off at the moment, has she? And she's not quite ready to go
Really.
with her brother. Look at you. Look at your beautiful face. Ooh, I love it when I can see the whites of their eyes. You know, aren't you beautiful?
I am very cute.
Ridiculously cute.
She loves a tummy rub. Nothing better than a tummy rub.
Oh, yes. Okay.
All right, Judy. Oh, yes, and a face rub. Face rub is good.
You're the Suki Lala. How could I tell? She squeak?
Lots of
I'll
squeaks.
tell you what, Beauty Dubs is my best squeaker ever
Oh,
in years.
yeah. She does. See, if you're rubbing her head, she just squeaks away. That's bliss.
It's great, isn't it?
Yeah.
That she's done so well.
Yeah. It's taken her a while, but
Yeah,
she's getting there.
she was really compromised.
Yeah.
Mm.
Isn't she? Eh?
What bird's that?
Oh, a bird. Oh.
Oh, right. One of those.
Feathered variety.
Something that with wings and feathers. Yeah, right, okay. That makes a noise.
Yeah.
It's clearly great hardship for her to be raised by you.
She's a funny little thing, isn't her? Get your wings apart, girlfriend. What are you doing to me? Hmm? There you go.
Good girl. Oh, big stretch.
There you go.
So this is little Tim Tam, whom I picked up this morning. And I think he's going to be just fine. Somebody's hungry.